Welcome to Quest Software Foglight Video Solutions. This video will cover how to add an Oracle ASM agent. The process of adding ASM instances is almost identical to the process of adding Oracle instances, as described in the videos Installing and Monitoring a Single Oracle Instance and Discovering Multiple Instances to Monitor. To add ASM instances, go to the ASM tab. Click Monitor More ASM Instances at the upper left corner of the Databases table. If the installer has detected that the ASM instance is a part of an ASM cluster, a dialog box will appear asking you to verify the connection details. After the ASM instances are configured, the ASM tab will provide access to a more detailed ASM dashboard. For details, please see Reviewing the ASM Instances video. To add ASM instances, log into the Foglight console. Select the Oracle tile. Go to the ASM tab. Click Monitor More ASM Instances at the upper left corner of the Databases table. The Monitor ASM Instance Setup GUI should display in a consolidated simple screen format, requesting the needed setup configurations for creating a single ASM agent. To create multiple agents in a setting, click on Use this option to discover multiple ASM instances. Let's continue configuring the single ASM agent and break down the utility options. Under Oracle Connection, Agent Manager Host specifies the agent manager selected to use to discover the ASM instance. Click the agent manager name to change the agent manager host if desired. Remember, the host should meet the system requirements and support the total number of deployed agents. Connection Details proposes two methods for configuring an ASM instance for monitoring: loading a TNS names file, copied from the database system, or manually configuring the parameters. Note the suggested use of these options. Now we'll cover the hostname entry option. Select the radio button for the host. Enter the hostname where the ASM instance is located. Change the port if it is something other than the default. Supply the service name or SID. And for both the TNS and hostname options, we would next specify the login credentials. Specify the ASM login credentials. Choose the pull down to connect as sysdba or sysasm. The user ID must have either a sysdba or sysasm role for ASM monitoring. Adjust alarm sensitivity level if it's other than the default. The sensitivity level will control the type of alarms that will get triggered. Leave the checkbox to allow the system to generate the dashboard display name. Usually it combines the hostname parameter with the server's name or SID. Enable the operating system checkbox to include OS metrics with the Oracle agent. Click the Specify OS Credentials link to enter the OS monitoring credentials. The link to select from stored credentials provides an option to choose previously configured credentials for the new agent. Otherwise, select authentication type and enter a Windows domain and user with the password or a Linux user ID and password. Then click Apply. To collect VM statistics for VMware virtual machines, click the Collect VM Statistics link and then enter the connection details for the vCenter ESX server on which the Oracle instance is running. Click Monitor, and validation takes place. The new monitoring agent has been created and is viewable on the database dashboard. Metric retrieval may take a few minutes to populate. After a couple of minutes of collection time, the dashboard should become populated with data for the agent. To learn more about Foglight for databases, visit support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us on Twitter at QuestExperts.